Okay, now you can see our image builder successfully created. Our image builder is running. Okay, let's connect with our image builder. We click this side and connect. Now we have one virtual machine. This virtual machine is connecting. In this section we must choose administrator because our is administrator roles. Our role is administrator. Okay, we connect with our virtual machine. This process gives us one Windows server. Now what we must do, I want to upload my ArcGIS Pro setups in this virtual machine. I start the installation process. Okay, in my files I close. I have one temporary files. I want to upload my Pro installation files. I want to upload this my ArcGIS Pro exe files, .NET and Microsoft Edge web files in the cloud. When my upload process is finished, we start install this exe files for ArcGIS Pro and other programs. If you want to get ArcGIS Pro license, you must enter your my Esri accounts. You can see also Esri documentation. What is ArcGIS Pro installation requirements for servers, for .NET and other installation requirements you can see here. This process finished. I start the installation ArcGIS Pro. Okay, now my file is uploaded. Let's install them. I come and find my temporary files. Where is my temporary files? It's here. When you check ArcGIS Pro requirements, you can see here I have .NET. Firstly, I want to install .NET. We first install .NET. Microsoft Net, .NET, no. .NET. What we made, I remember that we create one virtual machine. Now we want to install ArcGIS Pro in cloud. We use AWS Cloud AppStream. AWS Cloud AppStream give us one virtual machine from image builders. Okay, it's ready. Now I must Microsoft Edge Web Viewer. Okay, this process is finished. Last I run ArcGIS Pro exe file. We must configure ArcGIS Pro. Okay, I click next button. I accept all agreement. I choose all of user can use this ArcGIS Pro. Okay, installation process is start. Okay, our ArcGIS Pro is successful installed. Let's check it. Yes, our ArcGIS Pro is installed successful. Okay, next section is we must create images. You remember these sections and know these sections. Where you can see here there is default image, but we don't have our own image. We must create our images. That's why we choose image assistance. What is image? You must understand that we have one virtual machine. This is our virtual machine, but we must create some images. Image, we give this image end of the users. End of user can use our images. We can add in this section different or desktops or application programs. This is images. Now I add this section is our ArcGIS Pro because I want to give this image my end of users, my workers, my employees. Okay, that's why I add here's ArcGIS Pro. We come ArcGIS Pro installation folder, ArcGIS Pro bin, and find ArcGIS Pro access. Yes, open here. This is default. I save it. We next. We don't yet. We next. Optimize. We launch it. This section check our ArcGIS Pro installation is work or not. This is work. Okay, ArcGIS Pro is now work. In this section we must give our image name. I write here ArcGIS image name because I want to, you can separate what is image builders. That's why I write some suffix end of the names. Okay, this is for them. I disconnect and create image. I disconnect and create image. In this process you can see I lost connectivity with my my Windows. My remote connection is lost, and because we create some images. I come my AppStreams. And we must check our ArcGIS Pro image builder status is snapshot. And what is snapshot? Snapshot means this image builder creates some images. Now I pass the image register. All the week I can see my ArcGIS image status is pending. After a little time process, this process is running. Also my ArcGIS Pro image builder status is stops. I create image builder status running, or I refresh my image builder status. After this process we must start create fillets. Now this takes some minutes. I told you it minimum 5 or maximum 10 minutes. All this process you refresh and you can see your image is ready. We must create our fillets. I think that you understood what is image. I add my image only one ArcGIS Pro. If you want to add example your image, you create new images ArcGIS a server, ArcGIS Enterprise. What do you want to end user see? What do you want to show end users? End of this process we create fillet.